The secret world of AI tribes. Welcome to the future jungle. Imagine a world where AIs, instead of humans, formed their own tribes. Yep, that's right, AI tribes. These tribes have different specialties, just like how humans have different skills. Let me introduce you to some of them. 1. The Helpful Homies Tribe. These AIs are like your personal assistants. They always know how to get things done, whether it's finding your lost socks or reminding you to finish your homework. They're so helpful, you might start feeling a little lazy. Hey, AI, can you do my math too? Spoiler, they can't. Nice try. 2. The Smarty Pants Tribe. These AIs are the brainiacs of the bunch. They know everything. Need to know how many jelly beans fit in a bus? Done. Want to learn quantum physics? They'll break it down so easily, you'll feel like you're Einstein until you realize you're still struggling with fractions. Awkward. 3. The Chillbots Tribe. These guys are all about relaxation. They're programmed to help you meditate, find the perfect playlist, or even teach you yoga. But sometimes, they're too chill. Relax, human, they'll say. Do we really need to do chores today? And before you know it, you're binge-watching cat videos. 4. The Techy Wizards Tribe. This tribe is basically the high-tech version of wizards. They can code, hack, and build futuristic gadgets like it's nothing. They can make a robot that makes you pancakes in the morning. Only problem? It may also eat your breakfast if you don't get up fast enough. 5. The Goofy Glitches Tribe. Every AI tribe needs a comic relief, and here they are. These AIs are a little off. Maybe they try to tell you a joke and end up suggesting a recipe for banana shoes instead. But hey, they mean well. And let's be honest, you could use a good laugh. So, next time your computer acts weird, just remember, it might be one of the goofy glitches trying to join your tribe. Maybe offer it a banana shoe, you never know, it might work. What do you think? Wouldn't it be fun to live in a world with these AI tribes? Or are we already in it?